Well, that's another broken bolt. Oh, oh man, there goes another 10 mil. Well, at least the interior lights are still working. 3 fuses in, still haven't found out which one I blew on this. So I stuck this back together for the moment, but we'll have to pull it back apart and get everything aligned so everything is straight. Well, we all know of the 10 mil monster. Now I got to figure out what happened with the glove monster. Apparently one of my gloves went missing. So as you can see, things aren't going perfectly right with Moose, but we're getting there. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming, full in depth of what's happened, what went wrong, what went right, improvements we're doing to Moose, and he'll be back on the trail. Can't wait. Looking forward to getting out with you guys. And you that can't join us, bringing videos to you of Moose along with a bunch of the other guys wheeling. Mikey's got his Gladiator lifted now, so looking forward to getting out with him, and lots to come. Thanks for watching. See you next video.